This is Paul Tommy with Executive Group Realty, and today I'm with Joanna Lee, and she and her husband own Drain King Plumbing. They're in my B&I business group. We meet each Thursday each week throughout the year. But this is what I call a recommended local service provider. I've been in sales for a long, long time. I've been a realtor locally for about 13 years, and I'm pretty discerning about the vendors that I choose. So when they joined our chapter, we give them a chance. They did a few jobs. And how long have y'all been in business?
A year.
You've been in business for a year, but her husband had been in plumbing for about 17, 18 years prior to stepping out on faith and doing it on their own. But again, they've done great work for me. And what's the scope of your business?
All residential, commercial. We do everything from a leaking faucet to complete remodels and new construction as well.
You do sewer lines and water lines as well?
Complete repipes.
You do anything with wells?
We can work on the pump specifically. Same with septic tanks, but once it comes to like pumping and the actual well, we recommend that
specialist to do that kind of thing. So anyway, vendors in Columbus, there's a lot of people. There's people that go on these big advertising and pay for marketing, but this is a service I like to provide for my vendors that I know, use, and trust, because when I recommend somebody, I'm putting my reputation on the line. But I highly recommend Drain King Plumbing for all your plumbing needs. And they've been prompt, professional, fairly priced, and their invoicing is paperless online, so you can quickly get the invoice, know the scope of work, and pay them properly, and go on to the next job. How can they locate or contact your company?
We are on Facebook and Instagram. You can also go to our website, which is drainkingplumbingllc.com, and you can reach us out directly. You can text our phone number, which is 706-617-4167, and reach out to us directly. You can either call or text that number.
So I highly recommend Drain King Plumbing, a recommended local service provider. Thank you.